Can I say something that might sting a little? Without mercy, even worship becomes noise. I used to think that if I just prayed harder, read more, sang louder, that's what God wanted. But the prophet Amos calls that out. God isn't impressed by spiritual performance when we ignore people in pain. Check out this verse. Away with your songs. Let justice roll on like a river. Amos 5:23 and 24. That's not exactly the coffee mug verse, is it? You see, God isn't anti-worship. He's just anti that noise that disconnected us from mercy. Mercy matters more than mood. So here's a gentle challenge for today. Trade in one small spiritual habit for one extra act of mercy. Pause the podcast and text someone who's hurting. Pause the playlist, buy someone's lunch. That's worship too. Sometimes the loudest worship isn't sung, it's lived. Let justice be your soundtrack today.